So guys, welcome back with another amazing video. In my previous video, I explained how we can create different types of playlist in our YouTube application. And in this video, I am going to explain how we can manage our playlist or modify them or delete one of them or all of them. So first of all, open YouTube application and at the bottom, click on the icon of your YouTube ID or Google ID, and this is my Google ID. So this is the history of my YouTube watch history, and these are the playlist. First of all, playlist is liked videos. It is a default playlist, and at the end of the list is watch later. It is also another by default playlist. We neither we can create it nor we can modify or delete it. If we click on the three dots, you see we can only play them. And if we click on the three dots of our created playlist, you can see there are three options: play, in queue, delete, edit. Edit means you can rename it, you can modify the options like visibility, collaboration, etc. Close it. For example, I want to delete this playlist. Click on the three dots and click the delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Again, click on the three dots of the next created playlist. Delete, delete. Playlist is deleted. We can refresh. You can see that there are only two playlists left. These are the by default playlist which neither be modified nor be deleted. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.